What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Here we have RVN Coin sitting at right around 0.052556, just around 5 cents. We're going to do a quick top down analysis. I'm going to start from the 3-month chart. I like that on the 3-month chart we're overall bullish. Tapped in here, here. So we're just mitigating the demand there, which we actually did, and now we're on the way up, in my personal opinion. So weekly time frame, I would love to see a weekly close above this high for me to actually consider those new bullish moves to the upside. This may easily just be some type of mitigation here and still continuation is lower, but yeah, I would love to see that. But now, on the other hand, let's go to the lower time frames, like the daily. And here is where it gets interesting. So we broke that higher from here. We broke the structure higher from wrong tool. Oops. So we broke higher there, and now we broke higher there. Which in that situation we're still pretty bullish to these highs, either like this or this. So these highs are right around 0.06269 are my kind of mini targets for right now. Obviously not financial advice. And goodbye.